Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class 4, class 1. And our today's topic is the addition, part 2. Very last one we have already learned part 1. And our today's lecture 13 and HW is 13. Here is HW 13. You have to submit HW 13 on your campus at next Saturday. Now let's go to start our class. Look here, here is a number 3, 2, 7 and 1, 4, 5. 7 and 5 is 1's place, 2 and 4 is 10's place, 3 and 1 is 100 place, and then here it will be 1000 place. Now we have to add 327 and 145. For adding, we have to use the addition sign and draw a line for bring down the answer here. Now 5 and 7. 5 and 7 we have to count after the digit of 5. Here it will be 6. 6 to 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have here 12. So 12 is here 1's place digit and 1 is 10's place digit. So we have to write 12 in 2 here and we have carry 1. Now add 4, 2. 4 and 2 it will be 5, 6 and we have carry 1, so 6 plus 1 it will be 7. Now let's do the next column. Here is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 it will be 4. So the answer is 472. Now next one, look here is question number 2. 497 is the top number, 843 is the bottom number. 7 and 3 is 1's place, 9 and 4 is 10's place, 4 and 8 is 100 place, and then here it will be 1000 place. For adding, we have to use addition sign and draw a line for bring down the answer here. Now add 3 and 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10. 0 is 1's place digit. So here we have to write 0 and we have carry 1. Now 4 and 9. 4 and 9 what will be? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we have carry 1. 13 plus 1 it will be 14. So here it will be 4. And again we have carry 1. Now 8 and 4. 8 and 4 what will be? 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have remaining carry 1. 12 and 1 it will be 13. So 3 in 100 place and 1 will be in 1000 place. So the answer will be 1340. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now question number 3. Here is 987 in top and in bottom 987. Here this 7 is 1's place digit, 8 and 8 is 10's place digit, 9 and 9 is 100 place digit, and here it will be 1000 place. Now for adding, we have to use the addition sign and draw a line. Now add 7 to 7. 7 and 7 it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 is 1's place digit and we have carry 1. Now 8 and 1, 8. 8 and 8 it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we have remaining carry 1. 16 and 1 it will be 17. So here it will be 7 and we have again carry 1. So now here 9 and 9. 9 and 9 it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and we have remaining carry 1. 18 and 1 it will be 19. So 9 in 100 place and we have remaining 1 which will be 1000 place. So the answer will be 1974. Look, here is the last one, question number 4. 620 is the top number and 389 is the bottom number. 0 and 9 is ones place digit, 2 and 8 is tens place digit, 6 and 3 is hundred place digit, and here remaining thousand place digits. Now put an addition sign and draw a line. Now 9 and 0 here, 9 and 0 it will be 9, 8 and 2 you have to add 8 and 2, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, and we have carry 1, 3 and 6 it will be 9, and we have remaining carry 1, 9 and 1 it will be 10, so 0 will be here, and we have again remaining 1 in thousand place. So the answer will be 1009. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.